It is difficult when something or someone is distracting while we are trying our best to focus our attention on something important. Many kids want to remind other students of the rules or tell them to stop doing something because it is bothering them. In most cases, it is better for the student to ignore the distraction and let the teacher handle the rule reminders. Most kids do not like to be reminded of the rules by their classmates. They also may get in trouble for turning their body around to look at other students, or for talking in class and interrupting. It is best that they try to keep their brains thinking about the topic the teacher is teaching about, or the items on their work or test. Let's see how this would look.
All right, girls, today we're going to be talking about multiplication. We've been talking about multiplying is when we have equal sets of groups, and it's like adding them over and over and over again. And then next week after that, we're going to be talking about division. Girls, I need you to be respectful and pay attention while we're teaching. Sorry about that. So next week we'll go on to division.
Wow, you two did a great job ignoring the distractions while they were passing the note. How did you do that?
It was hard because it was annoying, but it was really helpful when they stopped.
It was really hard. It was annoying.
Yeah.
Now I noticed that you just kept looking at the teacher, and I was kind of wondering if you had any thoughts to kind of correct them or stop them yourself.
I did.
You did? Tell us about it.
I was thinking about telling them with the paper noises
Mm-hmm.
and how they were laughing. It kind of sounded annoying.
Oh, so you were gonna kind of try to correct them? Yeah.
Well, I was going to, but I didn't want to get me in trouble. I was just waiting for the teacher because if I said it, she might think I was talking, so then I would also get in trouble with them.
Very, very good point. Because if we interrupt, then we're also interrupting, right? And so you're right, two things could happen. One is our friends may not like that. They may think it's rude too. And then secondly, we might get in trouble ourselves. Do you guys think, and this is a question for all of you, do you think kids like it when their friends remind them of the rules?
No.
Mm-mm. How come?
Well, because it sounds like they're kind of bossing you around.
Right.
And nobody likes to be bossed around.
Right. So what do you think the best thing is to do if someone in our class is distracting or not following the rules?
Just a second and wait till the teacher.
Mm-hmm.
And you should try to
Mm-hmm. Trying to ignore the distraction
and
the best you can, because sometimes it's really hard, right? And like you said, just wait for the teacher, because most often the teacher will come through and remind the student of the rules. Any other thoughts with that one?
I don't think so.
No, you guys did great with it. Thank you.
Good evening, friends.